All right, so we're on week 3 of my pelvic floor therapy journey. I just went today, so if you remember last week I talked about 2 of my issues were really the psychological of the going just in case before when I went to bed and after I get up in the morning. So I really worked on not doing that and it actually worked. So I've conquered that psychological thing, and what my physical therapist told me today is we should never go just in case. And unfortunately, that's how our children are trained at school. Okay, time to go to the bathroom. So at an early age, we are kind of screwing up our pelvic floor and our bladder because we're just going even though we don't have to go. So that was a really interesting thing. But today what we focused on was when I leak during CrossFit outside of the double under. So we're gonna tackle that last. But I have a tendency to leak when I'm doing heavy front squats and also when I'm doing any kind of jerk because of that quick motion. What I found out was when I am doing a heavy squat and I'm down at the bottom, I am bearing down, which is pushing, doing the opposite of what the pelvic floor is supposed to do. So ladies, if you find yourself holding your breath when you're coming up or you're bearing down to try to get up, that's the opposite thing that we need to be doing. So what I have to practice this week is I actually have to go at a lower lift, and I'm going to be doing squats, and when I get down to the bottom, I'm going to try to do a Kegel and breathe out as I come up, still holding that Kegel. So we had started with me doing a Kegel and going down, but it was too hard for me to even do that. So that's what I'm going to be working on, is pausing at the bottom, doing a Kegel, and then holding it, but also letting out my breath. The other thing I'm going to be working on for those split jerks and jerks where I have that quick pound down is I'm just gonna work on just bouncing like this and holding that Kegel. So really engaging the pelvic floor muscles and using that core. So that's what I'm gonna work on this week, and then hopefully next week we'll tackle the double unders. Thanks.